Okay guys, I picked up these little 8-inch bolt cutters, wire cutters, only because I use them a lot on when I'm doing stuff with fence. But I have another pair, and I want to say I bought them at Lowe's, but apparently the last time I used them, I put them somewhere, and I don't know where I put them. I think I paid around $8 for these at, I believe, Harbor Freight. I'll have the information in the description, but you can see that. Only kind of high leverage design, precision engineered for professionals. Yeah, okay. High carbon steel construction. Model number. Basically, well, let's see, 3/16 maximum jaw capacity. As there's not a whole lot here, it's just cutters. Feels pretty good. I got this metal. Actually, it's like a staple that they stick in cardboard boxes when you buy stuff from the store. Fairly thick, but cuts it. Not a problem. I don't have nothing up here. I was going to bring a piece of wire up with me, but I don't have one. But, I mean, it'll cut it. I know they will, because they're basically the same as the other ones I have. And trust me, these are way better to cut fence with than regular wire cutters. I used them other ones a lot, and I really wished I knew what I did with them, but I have no clue. So for $8, I figured I'd just go ahead and pick something else up until I find them. Now then I'll have two. This is going to be some kind of adjustment here, which honestly doesn't need to go closed anymore. And when it closes, I can barely see a little gap in there. Let me see. Which I really don't think is going to make a difference, because you're going to have, oh, that pretty much closed it up right there. Okay, yes, that is an adjustment. Let's see if I can get it tight. But yeah, I have a dog I fence in. I had a big fence for him. Every once in a while I shorten it down because he's getting older. He only goes out basically to go to the bathroom. He doesn't run around much anymore. He's getting bad hips, so sometimes you got to cut the wires off just to get him off the stupid pole, or cut it to fit when you're shrinking it down. So I use these little bolt cutter, wire cutter things a lot for that, and they work good, like I said. So anyway, I just wanted to give you an idea what they look like. Like I said, I'll put this stuff in the description, but I want to say I paid around $8, something like that. Nice little thing to have around, because trust me, they come in handy. And they will cut little bolts too, but I just don't have nothing up here to cut. Alright guys,